Nabawi na ang kasing-kasing ni Aaron sa 11. And Aaron said to Moses, "Oh my Lord na.
Amen.
Oh my Lord, please do not lay this sin upon us that we have so foolishly committed. And please do not be like her. Let her be like one dead, whose flesh is half consumed when he comes out of his mother's womb." Dinin na sa 13. We can see how Moses is so meek in his attitude even though he is the authority. Kaya kung nagtanim pa niya o kanang kalagot o kanang pagdumot si Moses, yang tubag ng tani nga niulong kang Ginoo mo de pag-ampun niya. Tingnan mo si Aaron nga, "Please Lord na sa verse 2, ito siya nga, dili pa rin mamulong ang Ginoo namo. Inyong wala pa rin. Pero sa verse 11, "Oh my Lord, please do not lay sin upon us that we have so foolishly committed."